Hello, I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond, and in this video, we're going to look at one of the most cuddly parrots. In my flock, I have 3 of the most cuddly parrots, and one of them is a macaw. Now this girl, if eating necklaces counts, she likes to go on her back and be pet. No, don't eat my necklace. You'll break it. You'll break it, Cuddles. She likes to. She likes to just be pet and pet. Oh, sweetie. Right? And if you're sitting outside, she comes over to be pet. Right now, she's gonna come over for more pets. Hi, sweetie. So, I find macaws to be one of the 3 most cuddly kinds of parrots that I have experienced. Mwah! Right? Cuddly and loving. You're so cuddly. You're so cuddly, aren't you? And they're excellent jewelry breakers. That's similar to a jewelry designer, but they just destroy it all, right? And that's why I call her the monster, because she's so big. That's my Mac girl, one of my 2 Mac girls. And she's cuddly, super duper.